Hi, my name is Muhammad Amirul Muhammad Anwar. My number matric is 10DKM 20F1016. Okay, maintenance organization. Introduction. Organizing is the process of arranging resource, people, material, technology together to achieve the organization strategies and the goal. The way in which the various parts of an organization are formally arranged is referred to as the organization structure. It is a system involving the interaction of input and output. Function of maintenance organization. It is characterized by the task assignment, workflow, reporting relationship, and communicate channel that link together the work of diverse individual or group. This is the company chart organization at the Micron CNC manufacturing that we do the case study.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Syedradin bin Muhammad Anwar. Matric saya 10DKM 20S1098. Hari ini saya akan membentangkan presentation bertajuk Maintenance Engineering Management. Jadi saya akan membentangkan chapter 2 iaitu Maintenance Strategy. Maintenance is the combination of all technical and management action intend to retain an item in or restore it into a state which can be performed require. Source IIC. Penyelenggaraan ini adalah sambungan semua tindakan teknikal dan pengurusan bertujuan untuk mengekalkan sesebuah item ataupun mesin untuk memulihkannya dan boleh digunakan dengan sebaik mungkin. Why use maintenance strategy? Maintenance large amount of circuit life costs are allocated maintenance activities. Reliability has a significant economical role, so condition management is important. Business error is more difficult because of regulation and competition. Extend lifetime of the system component or product between period. Jadi, kenapa kita mesti menggunakan maintenance strategy? Dia memerlukan kos yang banyak untuk membuat kitaran hayat untuk membuat sesuatu penyelenggaraan. Kemudian percayaan menjadi peranan dalam ekonomi yang penting untuk pengurusan kerana dia memerlukan maintenance yang okey dan yang boleh dipercayai untuk seseorang untuk melakukan penyelenggaraan. Balance of maintenance. Maintenance is one of more asset management alternative aim to achieve balance between cost and reliability. Too much of maintenance can cause system failure. Too little of maintenance can cause system failure. Too much maintenance is not cost effective component level or system level. Jadi kita memerlukan penyelenggaraan yang balance supaya mesin atau item tu boleh digunakan pakai dengan sebaik yang mungkin. Kalau kita jarang melakukan maintenance, mesin tu akan menjadi rosak dan memerlukan kos yang tinggi untuk membaik pulih atau membeli mesin yang baru. Kalau kita melakukan maintenance terlalu banyak, dia akan merugikan kos kerana dia tidak memberi apa-apa efektif kepada sesebuah mesin. Itu sahaja daripada saya. Terima kasih.
My name is Muhammad Hakim Jamalullah. My number matric is 10DKM 20F1033. And now I want to talk about the chapter 4, Standard Operation Procedure SOP of the machine. Introduction. A standard operating procedure SOP is a set detailed instruction created by a company to aid employees in doing common tasks. SOPs are designed to increase productivity, quality output, and consistency of performance while minimizing misunderstanding and non-compliance with industry rules. And the significance of standard operation procedure. Standard operating procedure are detailed instructions that are serve as standard for how employees carry out their job. Effective SOP are comprehensive, properly defined, and based on feedback from the employees who perform the task, whether they are laid out in number phase or presented as flowchart, employees produce a consistent and predictable product when they adhere to the SOP for that particular job. Form of SOP. CNC machine warm up. Turn on the machine. A few shop turn the off around evening time due to their capacity utilization when inert. The next is turn on the shaft one or other way to heat the machine from an inactive state. This disperses the oil so that no harm happens during machining. And then set up your estimating apparatus and crude period of the day. This is significant because you should not leave the machine at unfavorable occasion during your weekday. And the next is set up the jaw you will use on the machine, just as any tooling you plan on utilizing. Preparation and setup. Eliminate the current jaws if essential. If you need to eliminate the current jaws, do it carefully. Brush off the toes before subletting the jaw. Chip go under the jaw can make them non-concentrically, which will cause mistake in the machining cycle. And the next is the spot the instrument you need for the work in the apparatus turret of the CNC machine. And then spot your crude material in the jaw and fix enough to hold material, however, not pound it. Entirety of the apparatus in the turret. This will permit the machine to utilize the information about the area of each instrument to figure out where it will be set for cutting. The CNC control can utilize the tips area to set it in the right spot identified with a 0 point. Set the beginning of the device for precise estimation. Bring the device near the crude machine and set 0 point on the CNC control. The machine will recollect this area and utilize different device in the CNC turret.
Nama saya Saran Kumar Lalik UB, nambakan matrik 10 DKM Dr. S1005. In measure procedure, pass over the machine completely among cycles and measure each couple of parts to ensure they are being out precisely. Check the tips of the devices and supply and essential. Clear of the jaws in cycle. You more likewise and need to wipe out the chip cabinet each third or fourth cycle contingent upon how much material is taken off each time. Procedure using a computer. Firstly, press on the inner front of the computer. Secondly, wait until the display produced on the screen. Input username and password if necessary. Thirdly, click on the start and select program CNC Mill. Fourthly, select the program you want to use and start using the computer. Fifth is click on start and select turn off computer to end the use of computer. Sixthly, select log off or turn off or restart computer. Procedure use CNC machine. Firstly, connect the 13 AMP plug into the main circuit. Secondly, turn on the computer machine and select master cam program. Third is turn CNC machine tools control by pressing the red button on the front panel of the machine. Fourth is location of the workpiece on the table and make sure work nearly workpieces. Fifth is close the door and turn off the switch of the machine start or stop to start the operation of the machine. Sixth is close switch start or stop when finished machining operation. 7 is remove the workpiece from the work table and clean the surrounding area. 8 is switch off the machine controller and disconnect the power supply and 13 AMP plug. 9 is close the computer machine.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Wan Amzah Syamil Biuseri. My matric number is 10DKM20F1017 and today I will present the chapter 5 of Maintenance Engineering and Management. First, introduction. Maintenance scheduling is planned work that includes the who, what, when and where of tasks. Maintenance planning is a process that helps you identify and solve potential problems before they get out of hands. Scheduled maintenance helps you schedule the maximum amount of hours available based on your resources. Next is significance of maintenance planning and scheduling. Reduce maintenance costs, minimizing idle time of maintenance workers and keep
maintenance history. Next is table of planning and scheduling. As we can see here, cleaning machine surface, check abnormal noise, vibration and scorching smell, coolant level, remove metal chips is a daily maintenance which is very important, while the weekly maintenance check the coolant percentage, check grease level and check the spindle level. Besides, clean coolant tank is monthly maintenance. The last one is maintenance record. The diagram shows Omicron CNC Manufacturing Sdn Bhd maintenance record.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Syamsul Akmal bin Suzaini dan nombor matrik saya adalah 10 DKM 20F1066. The outcome of this research have provided us many knowledge about maintenance and organisation. The company that we have chosen for our case study was a successful visit. They gave us information about their workstation and more. But the disadvantage is they don't have safety rule and also the maintenance routine checkup list update, which is not good for a big company, a CNC company. For the conclusion, we can see that the management is important to make sure the work is organized. The safety rules is important for the workplace to ensure the safety of employees. All of the question of case study was implemented to the case study and the report.